Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, there was a woman named Sophie who owned a little bakery in a colorful seaside village. Every morning, she would wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread and the sound of the waves crashing gently on the shore. Sophie's smile was as warm as the Caribbean sun, and her laughter was like a melody that made everyone around her feel happy and loved. One bright day, as Sophie was setting up her bakery, a man named Everil strolled into her shop. Everil was a talented musician from Kingston, passing through the village with his guitar, searching for inspiration. His dark eyes sparkled with kindness, and his voice carried the soothing rhythm of reggae. As he tasted Sophie's sweet coconut bread, his face lit up with delight, and he couldn't help but strike up a conversation. They talked about everything: music, dreams, the beauty of Jamaica, and the simple joys of life. Everil played a gentle tune on his guitar, and Sophie swayed to the rhythm, feeling a warmth that spread deep inside her. It was as if the island itself was celebrating their connection. From that day on, Everil visited Sophie's bakery every morning. They shared stories over cups of ginger tea and created a friendship filled with laughter and love. Everil's music and Sophie's kindness blended perfectly, making their days brighter and their hearts fuller. The village soon noticed the glow in Sophie's eyes and Everil's joyful spirit, knowing that love had blossomed in their little corner of paradise. And so, under the warm Jamaican sun, Sophie and Everil's love grew stronger, a beautiful melody of happiness and warmth that would forever echo in their hearts and in the breeze that danced through the palm trees.